Get ready for the ultimate Grand Tour experience with Ferrari's latest masterpiece, the Roma. Elegant design meets raw power under the hood of this turbocharged V8 beast. Whether you're cruising the city streets or hitting the open road, the Roma delivers unparalleled performance and luxury. The Ferrari Roma blends style, performance, and technology, echoing Italian Grand Tourer tradition. Its 3.9-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine churns out 612 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Driving dynamics are exceptional, with precise handling and adaptive suspension providing a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The Roma promises an unforgettable driving experience, whether on winding roads or open highways. Subscribe now for more on this stunning addition to the Ferrari lineup.